Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel. Start by choosing an image that will be the base of your thumbnail. This should be a high-resolution image that is 1280 x 720 pixels or larger. Use image editing software, such as Photoshop or Canva, to add text and graphics to the image. This could include the title of your video, your channel name, and any other relevant information. Use the software's layering function to add elements such as shapes, icons, and images. After you have finished editing the image, save it as a JPEG or PNG file. Upload the image to YouTube as your video's thumbnail. Keep in mind that YouTube recommends creating a thumbnail that is 1280 x 720 pixels with a minimum width of 640 pixels. The image should also be under 2 megabytes in size. Also, keep in mind that thumbnails are an important part of making your video stand out. It should be attention-grabbing and representative of the content of the video.